Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the header editing tools. Double-click the top margin or go to Insert Header. Once done, notice the label that shows the current section so you know where changes apply. If the document uses sections, make sure to check the link to previous control. Disabling it prevents changes from propagating. This first step is essential because headers behave per section, and removing a header without addressing section links will leave other parts unchanged. Now remove the actual content. Click inside the header and select text, images, or fields and press delete. For page numbers, use header and footer page number remove. That clears automated numbering. If you have shapes or text boxes anchored to the header, select them separately and delete. These sometimes don't respond to clearing plain text. Be mindful that removing content here clears only the active section unless link to previous was enabled. In that case, disable linking or repeat remove. Finish by exiting header and footer view. Double-click the document body or click close. Make sure to check options like different first page or different odd and even. Those can keep a header visible on some pages. If the header still appears, switch to draft view or enable show /hide to reveal hidden objects and section breaks that may recreate the header. One quick troubleshooting tip. Inspect section breaks and remove unintended breaks. They often cause headers to persist across pages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.